Hi, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transform a basement space into a home theatre on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by designing my walls. I'm going to go to the New Product tool and use the rectangle shape. I'm going to click and drag this on my wall to create a new shape. And once I'm done, I'm going to apply a texture and then clone around the room. You'll see this creates a lowered ceiling effect. I'm now going to upload my own texture and apply this to the lower part of the walls. I'm now going to choose a sideboard from the catalogue to create a drinks and snacks area. I'm using the blue highlight to show me when the item is snapped to the wall. I'm adding other elements such as popcorn and drinks machines. I then want to add some other food and drink elements. To save time searching the catalogue, I can click View Similar on any item in the catalogue to see suitable alternatives and extra products. I'm now adding some cinema seats from the catalogue, using the clone tool to duplicate and again the blue highlight to show wall snapping. I'm now using a projector and TV screen from the catalogue to create the cinema viewing area. I'm using the resize function to create a large cinema screen. I am also adding speakers from the catalogue. I'm going to swap to the 2D ceiling plan mode to clone the speakers and to create a uniform row within the ceiling. Next, I'm adding two wall lights. I'm using the guideline tool, top left of the screen, to ensure they are lined up on the wall correctly. I have used a rug from the catalogue and I'm now going to upload my own texture and then use the rotate setting on the right hand side to gain the desired pattern effect. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render on the top right hand corner. I can amend the internal lighting and the sun at this point using the panel on the left. I'm going to hide the sun for this render due to the design being in a basement. For a preview of the render, go to the bottom middle of your screen. The render will appear on the right. If you're happy, click Take Render. Choose the 4K option for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.